Namaskar. Myself, Dr. Suprit, welcomes you all in the daily weather briefing of India Meteorological Department. Today date is 11th January. We'll start with the observed weather during last 24 hours. So cold day conditions prevailed in isolated pockets of Punjab and Haryana. Also ground frost conditions reported in isolated pockets of Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Regarding fog, dense to very dense fog was reported in some parts of Punjab and Uttar Pradesh, in isolated pockets of Haryana, West Madhya Pradesh. Dense fog where visibility was 50 to 200 meters reported in the isolated pockets of East Madhya Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh and Tripura. Then heavy rainfall reported in Tirunelveli district of Tamil Nadu. Now we'll see the synoptic system. The western disturbance as a cyclonic circulation now lies over central Pakistan and neighborhood. Induced cyclonic circulation now lies over West Rajasthan and neighborhood. Also, a trough runs from the above induced cyclonic circulation over West Rajasthan and neighborhood to Northeast Arabian Sea. Then the cyclonic circulation over southeast and adjoining southwest Bay of Bengal now lies over southwest and adjoining southeast Bay of Bengal. Also, a fresh western disturbance is likely to affect northwest India from the night of 14 January. Now, today's highlights of this presentation. So, in association with the western disturbance and its interaction with easterly winds, wet spell likely over northwest and adjoining central India, accompanied with thunderstorm and hail on 11th and 12th January. Also, dense to very dense fog conditions likely to continue over north, east and northeast India during next 2 to 5 days. So if you consider minimum temperature observations, so minimum temperatures were below 0 degrees centigrade over many parts of Jammu and Kashmir. In isolated places of Himachal Pradesh, 1 to 5 degrees over some parts of Himachal Pradesh, in isolated places of Uttar Pradesh, and 6 to 12 degrees centigrade over many parts of northwest, central and east India, and 12 to 16 degrees centigrade over many parts of west India. And today's lowest minimum temperature of 4.5 degrees centigrade is reported at Dehri, Bihar, over the plains of the country. When you see the departure conditions of minimum temperature, so minimum temperatures were near normal over most part of the East India and the northeast and some part of northwest India, and they were appreciably above normal, around 3 degrees centigrade to 5 degrees centigrade above normal at a few places over Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry and Karaikal. And also they were above normal of like 1 degree centigrade to 3 degrees centigrade at isolated places over Haryana, Chandigarh and Delhi, West Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Marathwada, Vidarbha, Konkan and Goa, Telangana, Rayalaseema and near normal over the rest part of the country as mentioned earlier. And the forecast of temperatures, there is no significant change in minimum temperatures over northwest India during next 24 hours and then a gradual fall by 2 degrees centigrades during subsequent 2 days. Thereafter, the rise by about 2 degrees centigrade. If you consider central India, then the gradual rise in minimum temperatures were forecasted by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade over central India during the next 2 days and no significant change thereafter. For East India, gradual rise in minimum temperatures by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade likely over during the next 3 days and gradual fall by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade thereafter. For West India, there is no significant change in minimum temperatures likely for next 5 days. Now we'll consider the subdivision wise weather warning for day 1, that is 11th January. So heavy rainfall is at isolated places is forecasted over Tamil Nadu, and dense to very dense fog conditions very likely in isolated places of East Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan. Then dense fog conditions is forecasted or warning is given for dense fog condition at isolated places of Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, West Bengal, Sikkim, Odisha, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura during night to morning hours. Thunderstorm accompanied with hailstorm and lightning is very likely at isolated places over Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, West Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan and West Madhya Maharashtra. And cold day conditions are very likely in isolated pockets of Himachal Pradesh and Rajasthan. For day 2, heavy rainfall warning continues over Tamil Nadu and dense to very dense fog conditions likely in some parts of Punjab and Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, and dense fog in isolated pockets of Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim, Bihar, Odisha, Assam and Meghalaya and Nagaland, and Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura during night to morning hours. Also, thunderstorm accompanied with lightning very likely at isolated places over Uttarakhand, Chhattisgarh, East Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Tamil Nadu and coastal Andhra Pradesh and Yanam. And cold day conditions are also very likely in isolated pockets of Himachal Pradesh and Rajasthan. And the fisherman warning continues for the Kobarin area and adjoining Gulf of Mannar for day 2. Now the weather warning for day 3, that is 13 January. Warning continues over Tamil Nadu, and dense to very dense fog conditions are very likely in some parts of Punjab and Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi. Dense fog in isolated pockets of Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim, Bihar, Odisha, Assam and Meghalaya and Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura during night to morning hours. And thunderstorm accompanied with lightning very likely at isolated places over Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and Meghalaya, Nagaland, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Karaikal, Kerala and Mahe, Rayalaseema and coastal Andhra Pradesh also given. For day 4, heavy rainfall warning continues at isolated places over Tamil Nadu or for dense fog conditions likely in isolated pockets of Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, West Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh and Assam and Meghalaya during night to morning hours. And thunderstorm warning accompanied with lightning is also given at isolated places over Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Kerala, Rayalaseema and coastal Andhra Pradesh. For day 5, heavy rainfall warning again continues, that is warning for day 1 to day 5 for Tamil Nadu, and dense fog also likely at isolated places of Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh and Assam and Meghalaya. And thunderstorm accompanied with lightning likely at isolated places over Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Kerala. For day 6 and day 7 there is no major warning given. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. For more details please log in to our website mausam.imd.gov.in. Also don't forget to like, comment and share our social media handles. Thank you. Namaskar. Jai Hind.